What's up, everybody? And my name is Beavus Tube, and today, yeah, that was amazing. Today, I will be doing another drawing challenge. Recently, it just actually posted. I did a Crayola colored pencil drawing challenge, and that was very fun. And I used it with colored pencils, and I did kind of a landscapey kind of thing, and it didn't come out too bad. It just wasn't really what I was hoping for, so I decided to get some Crayola markers. I got a 20 pack. It comes with like their classic color thingy, whatever they call it, and one that says assorted colors. So yeah, basically it's a 20 pack. It came in a box. It literally has one of their 10 packs. You can buy this exact 10 pack out of the 20 pack. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. I'm going to be doing a little challenge here, and yeah, I'll be doing a voiceover of it. I'll have some music in the background, and it's going to make it all special. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to be drawing a park kind of stuff, and I'm going to be using this little pencil I got a long time ago. It's 6B Pro Art pencil. I'll be doing it on toned paper because I find that I actually bought some cardstock, which I need to sand down because that'll make very good paper for a marker. I'd rather not waste my money on marker paper because you can spend $5 at Walmart and get cardstock. So, yeah. But I'm not going to use that because I haven't sanded it yet. It's not good enough for markers yet. So yeah, I'm not really going to get into any specifics. I'm just going to be showing what these water-based markers can do. I actually did order some nice ones, so I'll be also doing a review when those come in. So let's go ahead and get that done. Let's start now. Hello, and right now I'm doing my voiceover. So one thing I want to go ahead and mention while I was doing, wait, let me move that for a second so I can see the screen better. I ended up having to use a different marker for black because I realized something about the black. The tip was very huge and I wanted to add a little bit of detail, so I don't know if that's considered cheating on a marker challenge. But yeah, I had to use my Prismacolor brush tip Scholar marker. I don't actually own a Scholar marker set, but I do have a bullet tip and a brush tip one from this little art set that somebody gave me. It's called like Mango Volume 1. So yeah, right now I'm just kind of doing the main pencil stuff. Like I said, I was gonna do a park. So yeah, right now I'm working on this big stone fence. I have this sped up pretty fast actually. So yeah, I decided to do a little river. I was thinking about making that a pathway, but I decided not to. So like I said, it came with 2 packs of stuff, and one cool thing about getting the 20 pack is in the assorted colors, there's a lot of lighter versions of colors. There's not really like different colors, because the main base of colors is already in the pack that you need, but in the 20 pack, you do get some lighter colors. So I recommend getting the 20 pack if you're gonna use this, but I also don't recommend getting them at all. They're not professional quality. It cost me $5 for this pack. That's very cheap. I spent $10 to get cardstock, 40 pieces, huge pieces, on like a book thing, and $5 on these. It was like $4.58 or something, right? That's very cheap. But I recommend saving up a little bit. Get about 35 bucks in your bank, 36 bucks, and buy the markers that I actually just bought. They haven't even come in yet. They're supposed to come in tomorrow. I will do a full review on them after I've used them a little bit, but I will do a challenge with them kind of thing. Not really a challenge, I'll just do a drawing with them, kind of give you my first impressions, and then maybe a week later I'll do a actual review. So right now I'm filling in the green. Like I said, I had to use that other marker, so I already put in the black for everything. I already filled in the tree. It doesn't look that good on camera because I have a very low quality. I'm using a Logitech, like an old Logitech webcam, not the new ones that are nice, old Logitech webcam. So you can't really see the brown on the tree. Since these are water based, I'm saying so much. This isn't scripted at all. So many ums. So they're water-based, so they do not mix that well. So that's one problem I ran into. What I did is I used a lighter green to fill out everything. Then I got the normal green and did the shadowing to the grass. There's a lot of streakiness in these markers. They almost look watercolor because they are made of water. I recommend getting the markers that I was actually just talking about. I forgot to name them. Touch New. They are alcohol based, so they can blend very well. They're very good markers. So yeah, this is actually almost over the full thing. So yeah, this is basically the drawing. It's not the best. I've definitely done better. I've done a lot. I've done better when I'm in school, just doing a test, and then I just get out a piece of paper and start doodling when I'm over. I've done better then, but yeah, I just wanted to do something that had a little bit of color and look to it. So yeah, right now I'm signing it. So yeah, thanks.